So the aquaponics system is something that we've been doing for a couple months. We started out by learning the nitrogen cycle, which is how all of this works. It's really cool.
So the fish are in the bag because they're getting used to the temperature, but once they're used to the temperature, we can release them. They'd bring the nitrogen, which is their poop. It would go up to this pump, and all of the nutrients would go up to our plants. Up here we have basil, and the light brings in the UV light for photosynthesis, and the water kind of fills up, which drops down to the second bell siphon. And the second bell siphon, we have strawberries, and we have some lettuces, and that kind of filters in and repeats itself down to this second bell siphon, which drops down back to the fish. And this creates a little cycle that keeps going on and on.
The reason that we have our aquaponic systems is because it's winter, and with all of this stuff and our lights and everything, we can grow pretty much anything. It's a lot more sustainable than regular farming. It uses like 90% less water than a normal farm would.
The aquaponic system is a lot about the nitrogen cycle and how we can use natural resources to create crops. So I go to Mountainside, and the thing I think I really enjoy about Terra Nova is that the teachers really enjoy what they do. And I think for me, that's what makes such a large difference, because then it feels like you actually are loving what you're learning, which is such a difference for me.
I absolutely love coming out here to Terra Nova every other day. It's like that really cool science project that you would do at like the end of the year, but that's just the entire year. You're just doing super fun and awesome stuff the entire year.